बिहारी राधा माधव की जय। जय विष्णु पाद परमहंस परिव्राजक भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की जय। विष्णु पाद परमहंस परिव्राजक भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद जी महाराज अनंत कोटि वैष्णवृंद नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ कुंड श्याम कुंड गिरिवर्धन की जय। वृंदावन धाम की जय। मथुरा धाम की जय। जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय। मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की जय। गंगा माई की जय। जन्माई की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। श्रीमती राधारानी की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। समवेत भक्तवृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि बोल। All glory to His Holy. All glory to His Holy. All glory to His Holy. All glory Sri Guru Sri Gauranga. Narayanam namaskritam narasaiva narottamam deving saraswatim vyasam tato jaye mudiraye vede ramayani saiva prani bharati tudha adyuchanti cha madhye cha hari sarvatra giyate mukhaṁ karoti vācālaṁ paṅguṁ langhayate giriṁ yatkripasamam vande Sri Guru Dinatarine Paramananda Madhavam Paramananda hi Madhava Odungaruchi Makaranda Paramananda Makaranda Panakari Anandi Bhullari Yarinko Nami Mandhavira Hari Koribe Chokadora Harinko Nami Mandhavira Hari Koribe Chokadora Kopayori Manamoravu Nirantari Manamo Nirantari Ha Krishna Mali Jiva Jao Manamo Krishna Mali Jao Ji मोती उधरो राधा दो मोती उधरो राधा दो मोती उधरो राधा दो धर्म प्रजीत कैतवत्रो परम निर्मत्सराणां सदा वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं पापत्रयनमूलनं भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा प्रेरीश्वरो सद्यवृद्ध्यवरुध्यत्यत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरुगलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुक्तं इवत भागवतं रसमालयं मुरहो रसिका विभावुका अनर्थोपशमं साक्षात् भक्तियोगं अदक्ष्यते लोकस्यादानतो विद्वंसक्रे सात्वतु संहितां यस्यां वै श्रूयमाणायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे भक्तिरुत्पद्यते पुंसः शोकमोहो भयापहा श्रीमद्भागवतं पुराणममलं यद्वैष्णवानां प्रियम् यस्मिन् पारमहंस्यमेकममलं ज्ञानं परं गीयते तत्र ज्ञानो विराग भक्तिसहितं नैष्कर्म्यमाविष्कृतम् तत्क्षणं सुपठन विचारण परो भक्त्या विमुच्ये नरो अर्थोऽयं ब्रह्मसूत्राणां भारतार्थो विनिर्णय गायत्री भाष्यरूपसौ वेदार्थ परिगृहीतो सर्ववेदेतिहासानं सारं अन्तसारं हि श्रीमद्भागवतं इष्यति तद्रसामृततत्त्वस्य नान्यत्र सदृशी क्वचित् कृष्ण भक्तिरसस्वरूप श्रीभागवत कृष्ण ताते वेद शास्त्र हईते परमहंस ताते वेद शास्त्र हईते चारि वेद उपनिषदे যত কিছু হইল চারি তারও অর্থ লয়া ব্যাস করিল সঞ্চয় তারও অর্থ লয়া ব্যাস যেই সূত্রে যেইর বিষয় বচন ভাগবতী সেইর শ্লোক নিবন্ধন ভাগবতে সেইর জীবের নিস্তার লাগি সূত্র কইল ব্যাস জীবের মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে ওই সর্বনাশ মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবীর স্থানে শ্রয় করো চৈতন্য চরণে একান্ত শ্রয় করো ভাগবত দেনা মানে সে যাবন সমান ভাগবত দেনা মানে সে যাবন তারও শাস্তা আছে জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু জম তারও শাস্তা Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th canto, chapter 9, text 18. Tata Sudaso Tatputro Damayanti Patirnarpa Ahur Mitra Sahang Jang Vai Kalma Sanghring Uta Uchit Vasishtha Sapad Rakhyo Bhud Anapatya Sukarmana Tata Sudasa Tatputro Damayanti Patir Nrupa Ahur Mitra Sang Jambai Kalma Sangring Utakochir Vasishtha Sapad Rakhyo Bhud Anapatya Sukarmana. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Sarvakama had a son named Sudasa, whose son known as Saudasa was the husband of Damayanti. Saudasa is sometimes known as Mitrasa or Kalmasapadam. Because of his own misdeed, Mitrasaha was sonless and was cursed by Vasishtha to become a man-eater Rakshasa. Naramansa Bhoji Rakshasa Panatidre. Ela Ishloka Artha. Paravarti Shloka, text 19. Sri Rajo Vacho King Nimitto Guru Sapo Saudasasya Mahatmanam Etad Veditung Ichhamam Kathyatang Naraho Jadi. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. King Parikshit said, O Sukadeva Goswami, why did Vasishtha, the spiritual master Saudasa, curse that great soul? I wish to know of this. If it is not a confidential matter, please describe it to me. Shloka Daya, text 20-21. Sisuka Vacho Saudasa Mrugayang Kinchit Charan Rakhyo Jaghanaho Mumocho Bhratarang Swatham गतः प्रतीचिकीर्षयाम् संचिन्तयन् नगं राज्ञम् सुदरूपधरो गृहे गुरोवे भोक्तुकामायो भक्त्वा निन्ने निरामिषम्. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Sukadeva Goswami said, once Saudas went to live in the forest where he killed a man-eater Rakshasa, but forgave and released the man-eater's brother. That brother, however, decided to take revenge. Thinking to harm the king, he became the cook at the king's house. One day, the king's spiritual master Vasishtha Muni was invited for dinner, and Rakshas cook served him with human flesh. Parivekhyamānaṁ bhagavan vilokyavakhyam anjasam radhanama sapat kruddho rakhyo hevam bhavishyami rakhyo hevam bhavishyasi. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. While examining the food given to him, Vasishtha Muni, by his mystic power, could understand that it was unfit to eat, being the flesh of a human being. He was very angry at this and immediately cursed Saudasa to become a man-eater. Shloka Rodya, text 23 and 24. Rakhyakrutam tadviditvam Chakri dvadasa varsikam Sopi apo anjali malayo Gurung saptung samudyataha Varito madayantyapo Rusati padayor jayo Disa khang avaning saravang Pasyam jivamayam nrupaho. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. When Vasishtha understood that human flesh had been served by the Rakshasa, not by the king, he undertook 12 years of austerity to cleanse himself for having cursed the faultless king. Meanwhile, King Saudasa took water, chanted the Sapa mantra, preparing to curse Vasishtha, but his wife Madayanti forbade him to do so. When the king saw that the 10 directions, the sky and the surface of the globe were full of living entities everywhere, Rakshasam bhavamapannaha Padi karma satangataho Vyavayo kale dadruse Banauko dampati dijau. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Saudasa thus acquired the propensity of a man-eater and received on his leg a black spot, for which he was known as Kalmasapada. Once King Kalmasapada saw a Brahman couple engaged in sexual intercourse in the forest. Text 26-27. Khyudharto jagruhe vipram tatpatni ahakrutarthavot na bhavan rakshasa sakhyad ikkhvakunang maharatho madayantya patir viro nadarvam kartum marasi. Dehi me apatyakamaya akrutartham patingdijam. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Being influenced by the propensity of a Rakshasa and being very hungry, King Saudasa seized the Brahmana. Then the poor woman of the Brahmana's wife said to the king, "O hero, you are not actually a man-eater. Rather, you are among the descendants of Maharaj Ikshvaku. Indeed, you are a great fighter, the husband of Madayanti. You should not act irreligiously in this way. I desire to have a son. Please, therefore, return my husband, who has not yet impregnated me." Vayam manuso rajan purusasya akhirarthado tasmadasya vadho viro sarvartha vadho uchyati. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. O king, O hero, this human body is meant for universal benefits. If you kill this body untimely, you will kill all the benefits of human life. Slokara Odia Anvat Kahauchi, Prabhupada. Srila Narottam Das Thakur has sung, Hari Hari Vipole Janam Gwaino. Manusya Janma Paya Radha Krishna Nabhajya Janya Sunya Vishwa Khaino. The body of a human being is extremely valuable because in this body one can understand the instructions of Krishna and attain the ultimate destination of the living entity. Living entities within the material world to fulfill the mission of going back home, back to Godhead. In the material world, one hankers for happiness. But because one doesn't know the ultimate destination, one changes bodies one after another. However, if one gets the opportunity to possess a human form of body, in this body he can fulfill the four principles, dharma, artha, kama and moksha. And if one is properly regulated, he makes further progress after liberation to engage in the service of Radha and Krishna. This is the success of life, to stop the process of repeated birth and death and go back home, back to Godhead, Mameti, to be engaged in the service of Radha and Krishna. Therefore, taking a human body is meant for completing one's progress in life. Throughout human society, killing of a human being is taken very seriously. Hundreds of thousands of animals are killed in slaughterhouses and no one cares about them. But the killing of even one human being is taken very seriously. Why? Because human form body is extremely important in executing the mission of life. Narottam Das Thakur has said about the perfection of human birth, or the purpose of human birth. O Lord Hari, I have spent my life uselessly. Having obtained a human birth and having not worshipped Radha Krishna, having not engaged in Radha Krishna bhajan, I have knowingly drunk poison. All are drinking poison. Mr. Lari, isn't it? Willingly drinking, or unconsciously drinking, or ignorantly drinking. How are you drinking poison? Unknowingly. Acha. Now you know. No more drinking poison. Isn't it? Alright? From today, no more. What do you say? Give me words. Yes. He gave me words. No more you'll drink poison from today. Anantamaya Das, what are you? Can you give such words? Lari, Mr. Lari gave. From today, no more drinking poison. What says? All right, you give these words to me. So if I catch you, you are drinking poison, head will be cut off. No more this birth. Go be a hog or dog. Dog or hog. Isn't it? The treasure of divine love in Golak Vrindavan has descended at the congregational chanting of Lord Hari's holy names. Why did my attraction for that chanting never come about? Day and night my heart burns from the fire of the poison of worldliness, and I have not taken the means to relieve it. His burning is all right, very nice. You like this burning? No. You don't like. You also don't like. I don't like. No, you like it. Yes. You like it. Don't say, I don't like, you like it. In spite of this, I like this burning. He's a foolish person. Such burning is there, but he wants that burning. Judaite na koilu upai. And I have not taken the means to live. What is the means? To get rid of it, to relieve. This Harinam Sankirtana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna prema dhana, niraparade nam loile pai prema dhana. The chief result of chanting Hare Krishna is to get Krishna prema. That is an invaluable asset to follow. Krishna prema is an invaluable asset. That is the chief result of chanting Hare Krishna. Mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna prema dhana, niraparade nam loile pai prema dhana. If your chanting is offenseless, you will get that Krishna prema. It is not different from Krishna, that holy name, pure name, is not different from Krishna. To follow, you will get Krishna. That is the goal of human life, really achieved human life. That is the supreme destination of really achieved human birth. To get Krishna prema. Do you follow? Then human life is successful. Once someone who has achieved this Krishna prema, gotten Krishna, then life is successful. Do you follow? Life is successful. Otherwise, what is the use of this life? मनुष्य जन्म पाया राधा कृष्ण ना भजिया जानिया सुनिया विश्व खाइन जानी सुनी विश्व खाऊची मनुष्य जन्म पाई राधा कृष्ण भजन न करी त्रितापरे दग्धीभूत होउची संसार विषाणले वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदम संसार दावानल ये जो भौतिक जगत दावानल वन्य जात अग्नि ए घोर संसारे पड़िया मानव न पाए दुखेर शेषो ए घोर साधु संग करी हरि भोजे जदि तबे अंत होए क्लेश साधु संग करी বিষয় অনলে জ্বলিছে হৃদয় অনলে বাড়ে অন বিষয় অনলে জ্বলিছে হৃদয় অপরাধ ছাড়িল কৃষ্ণ নাম অনলে পড়ে জল অপরাধ ছাড়ি নিতাই চৈতন্য চরণ কমলে আশ্রয় লইল দেই নিতাই চৈতন্য চরণ কমলে কালিদাস বলি জীবনে মরণী আমার আশ্রয় সেই কালিদাস my heart burns from the fire of poison of worldliness and not taken the means to relieve it. What is the means? What is the means? Means is sadhu sangha kari hari bhaje jadi tabe antahe klesh. This is means. He associates with sadhu, bhajankari sadhu is always engaged in hari bhajan. Always engaged in hari bhajan, so sadhu, if is intelligent person, man, he is not callous like Ananta Maya Das. Callous or conscious? Mr. Lari. Are you callous or conscious? Callous. Hey, callousness. How this callousness will go? Why are you becoming so callous? Are you an animal? No consciousness, covered consciousness? The animals are covered consciousness, they are callous. The human being has gotten elevated consciousness. Do you follow? Why are you becoming callous? Why are you becoming callous? The human being is not expected. It is not expected of a human being to become callous. Because human birth is rarely achieved birth. Is not inferior birth. 80 lakhs of other species, other than human species, 80 lakhs of types, they are callous. Because their consciousness is very, very low consciousness, that is like shrunken consciousness, covered consciousness, shrunken consciousness. But when one fortunately gets this really achieved human birth, his consciousness is something superior consciousness, elevated consciousness. So one should not expect such callousness from a human being. Why are you becoming so callous? Do you understand? No callous. So this is Sadhu Guru Shastra Mahajan, they say, you should be conscious. Yes, I am burning. I have been suffering. Yes, you should. Can't you? Feel such thing, burning, sensation, suffering. You are callous? Or conscious? Intelligent persons should understand why I am burning. So what is the means? This is the means. Sadhu sangha kari hari bhaje jadi tobe antahe klesha. He must come for what? He must be very eager, he must develop greed, he must feel restless. How? Where is water? Head is burning, Baba, head is burning. Is such callous cannot understand head is burning? Such callousness? The head is burning, Baba. Such callousness cannot understand. The head is burning, sir. It will run. Can you see it? Let it burn. Very good. It's very good. Once there was a competition. Do you understand? A king was there who declared a competition. What is that? Who is the laziest person? Competition on laziness. The laziest person will be awarded a prize. So many lazy persons come. You went. Have you taken part? You have taken part in that competition. Many lazy persons came. All right, the very big barnyard. All right, put them there. Doors are locked up, bolted. Then fire was set up. Then burning. So, Are Baba, burning. So, many ran out somehow, climbing over the very high boundary wall, jumped. 2 persons. Ananta Maya Das, Astananda Das. Somehow, Lari got up. 2 persons at last stayed. Yes, we'll get award, we'll get prize, isn't it? My friend, we are of same bars of same feather plugged together. Then Ananta Mayada said, oh, my brother, this side is already burnt. Oh, this side is already burnt. All right, turn over the other side. Brother gave, all right, turn over the other side. Isn't it? This side is already burnt, turn over the other side, let it be burnt. Such carelessness. তুমি কি মানুষ? তুমি কি মানুষ? Then this question, are you a human being? Such carelessness? তুমি কি মানুষ হবে? Vaishnava sadhu asked, তুমি কি মানুষ হবে? Are you a human being? Such carelessness? Head is body, or body, but now head is body. So, such carelessness. Then you run. Where is water? Where is water? Where is water? He must run. Such carelessness is there. He must come for sadhu. Water is there. Sansara dava naraveda loka tranaya karunya ganaganast praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya bande gurasri saranare. He must run towards sadhu guru. He has water. What is that? This Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtan. This is water. Sadhu Sangha Kari Hari Bhaje Jadi Tabe Anta Hoye Klesho. Sadhu Sangha Kari Hari Bhaje Jadi Tabe Anta Hoye Klesho. So, this is the means. He must run, he must feel restless, he must come to the sadhu, bhajana, who is engaged always in bhajan, sasadhu, nam bhajan, who is drowning in that ocean of prema, Krishna prema, he comes forward, associates with sadhu, that sadhu's association, he engages himself with the Hari Bhajan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Then that is so much outpour. Then burning will be extinguished, fire will be extinguished, all suffering will go. Visaya onole joliche hudaya onole bare onolo. Oparad chadilo Krishna naam onole padheja. So, Vishayana, there it says, Sansara Vishanole Divanisi. This is what it says. Day and night my heart burns from the fire of poison of worldliness, the Vishayana. And I have not taken the means, but intelligent, which conscious, not careless, he immediately takes up this means. He runs for Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Guru Sangha, association Sadhu Guru, always engaged day and night, 24 hours engaged in Hari Bhajan, Hari Kirtan, that is, under his guidance. If he engages himself Hari Bhajan, then his suffering is gone forever. Visaya onole jolche. This burning is extinguished now. Aparad chari loy Krishna naam onole pade jara. If he chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, offenselessly, huh? Pure name, that is very, heavy, torrential rain, downpour, huh? What is it, downpour? Yes, from that ocean, then that heavy downpour will be there. Then this burning will be extinguished. This intelligent. Nitai Chaitanya Charana Kamale Asra Lailo Jai Kalidas Bole Jivane Marane Amar Asra Se. Kalidas Thakur says, an intelligent takes shelter at the lotus feet of Nitai Chaitanya and dear devotee of Nitai Chaitanya, and engages himself in this chanting holy name, offenseless, pure name. He is, I beg mercy of such a person in my life, jivane marane, birth and death, life after life, I seek the lotus feet of such a person. There is such water. So here it is said, Narottam Das Thakur, Lord Krishna is the son of King of Braja. Brajendra Nandana Jai Sachi Sukha Vilasai Balaram Hile Nitai Dina Hina Jata Chilo Harinami Uddadilo Tarsaki Jagai Madhai. Lord Krishna is the son of King of Braja, became the son of Sachi Mata. Lord Chaitanya and Balaram became Nitai. The holy name delivered all those souls who were lowly and wretched. The two sinners, example are there, two sinners, evidence is there, Jagai and Madhai. Oh Lord Krishna, ha Prabhu Nanda Suto Vrishabhanu Sutajuta, Karuna Karaho ei baat, Narottama Dasa koy, na Thelio Ranga paet, Toma bina kiya achhe amar. Oh Lord Krishna, son of Nanda, accompanied by the daughter of Vrishabhanu, Srimati Radharani, please be merciful to me now. Narottam Das says, oh Lord, please do not push me away from your reddish lotus feet, for who is my beloved except you? This is intelligence. This is intelligence. Intelligent person should take to this chanting of holy name under the guidance of dear devotee of Radha and Krishna, dear devotee of Nitai Chaitanya. Then his burning suffering will end forever. Do you understand? So one thing is there, Mukhya Pathe Jiva Pai Krishna Premadhana. Niraparade Nam Laile by Premadhana. If your chanting is offenseless, pure name, then you'll get Krishna Prema. That is the goal of human birth. That is the goal of rarely achieved human birth, to get Krishna Prema, because Krishna becomes bound up with that Prema. Without Prema, Krishna, you cannot get Krishna without Prema. You understand? So, your chanting should be offenseless, pure, then you get Krishna Prema, then you get Krishna. That is the success of human birth, that's the ultimate destination of human birth, rarely achieved human birth. Supreme perfection of human birth. What is that Prema? What is that Prema? Krishna Jagat Guru. Krishna is his Jagat Guru. But Krishna says, Radharani is my Guru. Jagat Guru Krishna says, Radharani is my Guru. Radha Prema Guru, Ami Sisharata. In this loving affairs, in subject matter Prema, Radharani is my Guru. I am her disciple. Shishya Nata. As Guru makes his disciples dance according to his will. Similarly, Radharani makes me dance according to her sweet will. So, Radha Prema Vibhu Vastu, Anadi, Ananta, topmost position is Radha Prema. Understand my language? Topmost position is Radha Prema. Topmost position of Guru is Radha. Do you follow? If you discuss Guru Tattva, then ultimate thing will come up, Radharani. Topmost position in Guru Tattva is Radha. Dure Suddha Prema Gandho Kapatara Sarabandho. Se amoro nahi Krishna paaye, se amoro nahi Krishna paaye, nahi Krishna prema dhana, daridra moro jivana, nahi Krishna prema dhana, daridra moro jivana, dehendriyo vrutha moro sobo, dehendriyo vrutha moro sobo. ये राधारानी कर कथा बाहिरे विष ज्वाला हो ভিতরে আনন্দময় বাহিরে জ্বালা হো ভিতরে আনন্দময় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমর অদ্ভুত চরিত কৃষ্ণ প্রেমর অদ্ভুত এই প্রেম আস্বাদন তত্ত্বইখ্য চরবণ এই প্রেম আস্বাদন মুখ জলে না যাইতে জন মুখ জলে না যাইতে জন সেই প্রেমাদার মনে তার বিক্রম সেই জানে সেই প্রেম বিষামৃতে একত্র মিলন বিষামৃতে একত্র মিলন. It came up, burning, topic of burning. Burning came, so it came up to me. Follow. Here all are burning in this blazing fire of Sansara Davanolo. Isn't it? Sansara Davana, the material world, is like the first fire. All are burning. Visanala. Narottam Das Thakur says, Sansara Visanale Divanisi. The fire of this worldliness, all are burning. Judaite na koi nu paye. Such callous, foolish person, they don't know what it means, and they don't take up the means. The intelligent person takes up the means is to accept a sadhu guru who is completely absorbed in chanting holy name, drowned, Krishna prema, that is the means. Takes shelter of sadhu guru and engages himself chanting holy name. His chief resort is Krishna prema. Niraparad, offenseless chanting. If you Krishna prema, then your burning will be extinguished. So goal is Krishna prema. Goal of rarely achieved human birth is Krishna prema. You understand the Bible and get Krishna. Mahaprabhu gives that prema. Is prema Purushottama through chanting this holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Your chanting is pure, offenseless, then you will get Krishna prema. You get Krishna, then you achieve the supreme success of your human birth, rarely achieve human birth. Huh? Go back, come back to where you get Krishna. Then your burning is completely extinguished forever. So another point, so this came to me. This prema, when you speak about this prema, is Krishna prema. So Krishna says, Radhika prema guru ami hoy not. Radhika prema guru ami hoy shishya not. Sodha ama nana nutya nachay udbhata. Krishna se Krishna Jagat Guru. Krishna Bande Jagat Guru. Topmost person of Guru ladder. Who is there? Krishna. But Krishna says, in this loving affairs, Radharani is my Guru. Then, the Jagat Guru Krishna has accepted Radharani as Guru. So, now it comes in the Guru ladder, who comes the top? The Radharani comes the top, not Krishna. Do you understand? This is what you should understand. So, Radha Prema is the topmost thing, not Krishna Prema. Isn't it? Krishna cannot understand that. After Krishna jammed the mood and complexion of Radharani to understand this thing. He came as Gauranga. Isn't it? So topmost is Radha Prema. So, if we discuss, this is very, very, I think, so somehow it came up to me. I cannot check myself. I don't know whether you are qualified to understand it or not. I am a mad fellow. I cannot think of this thing. Mad fellow cannot think. A madman, he doesn't think anything. He is mad. So I am a mad fellow. Please excuse me for my madness. I may be excused for my madness. You are all very elevated persons. I am a mad fellow. So it came to me. So the discussion lies this prema, Radha prema, what we'll see. We'll see there are two opposites there. Two opposites. Do you follow? And this is reciprocal, is not. It's Krishna and Radha. Two sides of prema, Vishoy and Asroy. Do you understand? When this question of prema comes, it is not one-sided. Then the object of prema and subject of prema is there. Vishoy and Asroy. Two sides are there. Otherwise, how there would be prema? Ananta Mayadas. Whom you love? Venki? The wooden, what is that, motor? And people, what is that? Grinding motor? Will love him? The grinding motor? Understand me like this? Wooden grinding motor. Will you love him? Because there will be no reciprocation at all. So prema have two sides. Vishoy, Asroy. Krishna is premier Vishoy. And Radha Anuga Bhaktas, they are premier Asroy. Two sides are there. Do you follow? And Radha Prema is the topmost. So if we discuss, you will find there are two opposites in Radha Prema. Do you understand? Two opposites are there simultaneously. First we'll discuss, because when topic prema comes, Krishna is there and Radha is there. Otherwise there will be no prema at all. Vishoy and Asra, two are there. So Krishna have two things, Aishwarya and Madhurya. Do you understand? Krishna is a Bhagavan, completely full with 6 types of Aishwarya. Isn't it? What are those 6 types of Aishwarya?
You're not
Yes?
Fame,
Ah.
wealth,
Ah.
knowledge,
Ah.
beauty,
Ah.
strength.
Balavidya, strength. This is Aishwarya. Darsana. So, continue. हाँ हम साथ देते हैं. Let me finish. Let me very short. Though it is very great. Whatever I do, painful to me. All right. Krishna wants to give me pain. So, Aishwarya Madhurya. Krishna is all beautiful. Huh? All beautiful. His beauty far excels that of Cross of Cupid. Huh? Kandarpagoti Kamaniya Vishesha Sobham. So in Aishwarya and Madhurya, two things are opposite. You'll see, in Aishwarya, Krishna is Vibhu, supreme. But in Madhurya, understand my language? In Madhurya, he is Gopakumar, Gopabalaka, a cowherd boy, 200 form. Activities are just like a human being. Do you understand? A cowherd boy. He is Muralidhara. Understand? Gopavesa. Very simple dress. Dress of a cowherd boy. Pitambara has put on yellow dhoti and Parimitanga. Is just 11, 12-year-old boy. But in Aishwarya, great. Vibhu. Do you understand? It's two opposites. In Aishwarya, Krishna is Sarvatantra Swatantra. He is supremely independent. Do you understand? He is not dependent on anybody in Aishwarya. But in Madhurya, Bhakta Paratantra, he is dependent on his devotees. Understand? Two opposites. Understand my language? Two opposites are there. Bhakta Prema Vasa is bound up with the rope of love of Bhakta. Two opposites. In Aishwarya, he is Atma Rama Apto Kama. He is completely satisfied, self-satisfied in Aishwarya. But in Madhurya, Rasalampato is dissatisfied. Always begging. Going to Radharani, begging, Radharani, please give me your feet. I'll decorate your feet. Dehi pada pallava mudaram. Can you give me your feet? Such nice soft feet, Radharani, I'll decorate with such nice stuff I have brought. Isn't it? He's beggar. He's a beggar in Madhurya. Understand me? But in Aishwarya, he's self-satisfied. He's supreme. Never feels any deficit. But here he feels deficit. Two opposites. Follow my language? This is tattva. How two opposites are there in this prema. He is prema bhikari. He is begging for prema. So in Aishwarya, he is Visuddha Sattva. In Aishwarya. But in Madhurya, he is angry. He is supreme thief. He is a great liar. He is a great duplicitous person. In Madhurya. Two opposites. Understand my language? Try to understand me. In Aishwarya, he is Jnana Ghana Murti. He is Murti of Jnana. Jnana Ghana Murti. But in Madhurya, he is like ignorant child. Ignorant child. Do you follow? Ignorant child. Yes, two opposites. Do you understand? So, in Radha Prem, Krishna says, Radha Prem is my Guru, Vibhu Vastu, supreme, Anadi Ananta, unlimited. without beginning, uncomparable, isn't it? Nothing can be compared to it. What is unlimited? What is unlimited? Can it be limited? It is unlimited. Can it increase? What is unlimited? Can it increase? No increase. It is unlimited. But this is strange, wonderful. Radha Prema is ever increasing. You understand? It is unlimited. But it cannot increase. But this is wonderful. Amazing that it is ever increasing, ever increasing. This is tattva. Niyata vardhana. So, Leela Prabha, when the flow of this Leela of Radha Krishna is like a flow, a river flowing. So, two embankments are there, Milana and Viraha, Sambhava or Vipralambha, in other words, union and separation. Do you understand? Two words are there, two embankments. One embankment is Milana, union, other embankment is Vipralambha, Viraha, separation. And this flow, Leela, Radha Krishna Prema Leela, is flowing from time immemorial. So in Milana, you'll find that such pleasure is there, Ananda, indescribable. But in Vipralambha Viraha, such, what is that? Acutement, such acutement, and very, Viraha tapa, very intense heat, intense fire is there. It's like burning. This burning is also here. All are burning in this fire of worldliness, but here it burning again comes up. Understand me? Therefore this topic came up to me, and the burning topic came. Again that burning is here. That prema is the goal. We come to the prema, that again burning. Are Baba, is again this burning. So I'll sort. I am not going to deep in so many things. So, though the Radha Prema is the topmost position of Guru Vastu, still, topmost Guru, still there is no pride. No pride. Occupies topmost thing, but no pride. Daina. Daina, so, humility. This is the excellent characteristic of that Prema Madhuri, the beauty of that Prema. Radharani, what she says, Dure Suddha Prema Gandha, Kapata Prema Gandha, Syaha Mora Nahi Krishna Pai, Nahi Krishna Prema Dhana, Daridra Mora Jivana, Dehendriya Brutha Mor Sava. These are words of Radharani. I have not touched that Prema at all. I am far, far away from that Prema. No tinge of Prema in me. Do you follow me? Radharani says, who is the topmost, occupied topmost position in this Prema ladder? She says, Sneha mor nahi Krishna pai. Nahi Krishna Prema dhana. I am devoid of Krishna Prema, which is invaluable asset, so I am poor. Daridra mora jivana dehendriya brutha marusava. But my body, all senses, is useless. Because I cannot get Krishna Prema. I am far, far away from it. It's useless now. I am poor. That Krishna Prema is invaluable asset. He says like that. Do you understand? There is no pride at all who occupies the topmost position in Guru ladder. And here you will find two opposites are mixed. Radha Prema, Visa and Amrita. Here Narottam Das Thakur says, मनुष्य जन्म पाया राधा कृष्ण ना बजिया जानिया सुनिया विश्व खाइनु getting this really achieved but मनुष्य जन्म but not engaged in Radha Krishna bhajan, so willingly drinking poison. But here it says, in Radha Prema you will find two things are there, Viswa and Amrita. Nectar and poison, two are there in Radha Prema. So here also poison. Two opposites, nectar and poison. Yes, because in Milanananda, in union, it is all nectarian, so sweet. But in Viraha separation, very acute burning is there, marmantuda. Like a very, what to say, acute pain is there. Such high degree of heat is there. Do you understand? It's burning. It's like poison. Visamrita. Two are mixed together. Visa and Amrita, poison and nectar. Bahire Visa Jala hoy, Bhitore Anandamoy, Krishna Premara Adbhuta Charita. This is wonderful characteristics of Krishna Prema, that in separation viraha, it is like the poisonous effect. Bahire Visa Jala, do you follow? Is burning, poisonous effect, external. Outside it is poisonous effect, it is burning, 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 feeling the acute pang of separation. Body, mind, everything is burning. And inside, union. Outside is separation, it is burning, is poisonous effect. And inside, Anandamaya. Transcendental pleasure inside, outside, burning is poisonous effect. Do you understand? Two opposites. This is the wonderful characteristic of Krishna Prema. Ei prema swadana, tattva ikhucharbana, mukha jale, nadayat tejana. This prema, to relish this prema means to chew very hot sugar cane. Sugar cane is very sweet, it's very hot. If you chew that hot sugar cane, your mouth will burn. There is burning. Mukha jole. Still you don't want to leave it, though it is burning. Similarly, though Visajara is burning in this fire of worldliness, still he don't want to leave it. Understand what I say? Ananta Mayadas. But take to this burning, this is very good burning. This is like chewing a hot sugar cane, so sweet. Mouth is burning, but don't want to leave it. Do you understand? This burning is welcome. Why are you accepting that burning? You burn to ashes. Here nothing that you will burn to ashes. Do you understand? Ei prema sadhana tattva ikhucharbana mukha jale na prayata. Sei premadar mane tar vikram sei jane visamrita ekatra milana. Thank you. One who knows this thing, one who is chewing this, one who relishing, he knows what is there. All right. So, Govinda Hari Jai Radhe. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.